Hi, my name is Javier, and welcome to my channel. Costco, Walmart, and many other stores across the nation are currently pulling Jif peanut butter from their shelves due to the recent Salmonella outbreak. Recall is being conducted in cooperation with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. Based on the information known to date, we are unable to estimate the financial impact of recall either on our fiscal year ending April 30th, 2020 or on our current fiscal year 2023. We will provide additional information as soon as possible. Please make sure to like, share, and comment, and turn on notification bells, my beautiful prepping family. If you don't know what peanut butter from Jif got recalled, you will find a list below in the description section also. The PC numbers and a list of all the Jif products that has been recalled, my prepping family. Just look for that in the bottom of the descriptions section below. The recalled products have been sold in stores across the U.S. as well as in Canada, where the peanut butter is now also being pulled from the shelves out of caution. As of yet, no illness have been confirmed in Canada since the posting of the recall notice yesterday by Canadian Food Inspection Agency. I wonder why. Question for you guys. Why is it that the U.S. has reports of illness from the peanut butter and Canada has no reported illness? I wonder why. Is the U.S. purposely tampering with our food supplies? Once again, they trying to control something so they can put their foot on our necks, people. However, in the United States, the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention reports that 14 people across 12 states have been infected with salmonella from the peanut butter. Salmonella is a dangerous organism that can cause serious and sometimes fatal infections in young children, elderly people, and those with weakened immune system. Healthy people who are infected with salmonella often experience fever, nausea, diarrhea, vomiting, and abdominal pain. Now, those are the people that are healthy will feel those side effects. The Food and Drug Administration has expressed concerns that consumers may have unused portions of taint peanut butters in their pantries. The agency is advising consumers to check their pantry for the recalled peanut butter. Preppers, please make sure you check the list of products below in the description section. And make sure you check your already prepared pantry and see if you have those products so you can throw it away. I wouldn't want you preppers and your families to get sick from this. Please make sure, look at the list below. That way you can throw away the not only peanut butter, but it's Jif products. They have different Jif products in the list below. So, the recalled peanut butter was distributed nationwide in retail stores and other outlets. Recalled products include the products below with the lot codes, and the codes are below in the descriptions as well, which is 1274425 all the way to 2140425. Those are the lot codes. They are included alongside the best if used by date, which will also be in the description section below. It breaks down a full list of the affected products, but put out by the GM Smucker Company, which owns and manufactures Jif. The affected products included popular favorites among children's and adults, such as squeezable Jif packs, the creamy peanut butter variety, and the crunchy peanut butter variety as well. You know what? Also, check your candies and make sure that they're not made by that same product as well. Anyone who may have eaten the recalled product and developed symptoms of salmonella infection should seek medical attention. If you have fallen ill, you should tell your doctor about the recent exposure to the bacteria, because special tests are required to accurately diagnose and treat the salmonellosis. Preppers, it is crazy how in depth these special procedures and tests are required, and possibly time consuming. Spread the words to your loved ones about this. Um, in October of last year, hundreds of people across the United States were sickened in the Salmonella outbreak linked to imported onions. Last summer, 31 people were sickened after eating hydroponic lettuce. So, people, I want you to look at the list below. I want you to make sure that you don't have these products in your pantries, or that you get sick from it. I would hate for you guys to go through this. Um, you know, it's crazy how we are going through these times. This is another thing that we don't need added to our plate. You know, from us getting sick from all these products. And then not only that, now it's going to become a shortage towards it. People that eat it, people that depend on it. Everybody uses it to make sandwich. Everybody uses it to make different sorts of things, I mean, think about this as well. If this is the same product that is given out as well, the government uses a lot of peanut butter, one to use to feed their inmates as well, and from the prison system, to feed some of their employees as well. They use it's used all around the world. It's just funny how Canada is not affected. I just find that crazy, that we're going through this. But preppers, please make sure you go in your pantry. Please check it out. And not only that, don't forget, continue to keep prepping. These are just signs after signs of them trying to control the food system some way, somehow. It's just ridiculous how they're getting with it. And it's just like, it's just an evolving door, and it never ends, and they're going to continue. They just found another way for them to try to control us. They try to do it with the whole pandemic. I'm not saying that people didn't get sick, and I was one that got sick. I did get sick. I was sick for 3 weeks when I caught COVID. But it's just crazy how you're not hearing as much as they were like publicizing it and trying to control people. It's just crazy how they're doing it. They always try to find a different way to control us. Look at the diesel now, and inflation there. The baby formula situation as well. I mean, now they're coming out with some formula. They're coming up with trying to supplement to help the ones that are in need for, like, come on, man, stop testing on us. Stop trying this. The government itself, I don't care who is in office, they don't care about us. They do not. They will never care about us but to fill their fat pockets. That's just what they want to do. They want to get rich. They want to thin all of us out and just keep the population low, People, I thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate the love and support. See you preppers on the next video. Good night.